Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to fix your RealMe C2s that's stuck on a black screen of death. Most of the time, when a smartphone gets stuck on a black screen, it's due to a firmware crash. That is if there are no signs of hardware damage. But assuming that your phone just shut off and would no longer power on, here's what you need to do. First solution, perform the forced restart. When it comes to fixing issues like the black screen of death, you can always expect the forced restart to work. In the case of your RealMe C2s, this is how it's done. Press and hold the volume up button and the power key at the same time for 10 seconds or more. This will force your device to boot up. When the logo shows, release both keys and wait until the boot process is done. Most of the time, this is all you need to do to make your device run perfectly again. However, if your phone is still not responding even after doing the forced restart, then you should try the next solution. Second solution, charge your phone and do the forced restart. It's possible that the battery is drained and that the firmware crashed before the phone powered down. As a result, the phone won't respond if you try to turn it on or connect it to the charger. But don't worry, this problem can be fixed. Here's how. Plug the charger to the outlet, and then connect your phone to it using the appropriate cable. Regardless of whether the phone shows the charging symbol or not, just leave it connected to the charger for at least 5 minutes. After that, press and hold the volume up button and the power key again while it's still connected to the charger. If the logo shows, release both keys and just wait until the phone reboots. These two solutions are enough for you to know if it's a hardware issue or just a minor firmware problem caused by a firmware crash. If it's a hardware issue, then you can have a technician check it for you. We hope that we've been able to help. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you enable the notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new videos. Thanks for watching.